Here's another question. What should be the exact roadmap for learning cloud implementations over the data science field or any other similar type of field? Is Microsoft Azure certification needed in that case? Regarding the certifications, like they are useful, but they for giving you the basics or for joining companies where it's needed, where they require this. But my view is always start with you should do a project, even if you're a student. Do a project and don't rely on certifications. Right?
I'm not sure how many of the students or people who are new into the field are aware that AWS, Azure, GCP, they offer free credits for 1 year or so. So you can build small projects using that, and if you feel confident, then you can go for certifications. But certifications, they do cost money if you can afford it. Are they mandatory? I i don't think that should be the case. As an industry, we should value them, but we should not make them mandatory.
Yeah, it's like they take a lot of time
Yes.
to actually do, and very often they also go into a level like from an educational level where you don't really need it in your day to
Yes.
day.
Yes.
It's you could look this up on the internet as well
Oh
or
yes.
in the documentation, but they have everything in there to make sure the person who goes through the certification has heard about it and has tried to apply it.
Yes. Yes.
But like, yeah, you can do a lot outside of the
Yes.
whole thing, of the whole
it it
certification space.
it may help you in getting a door in the foot, sorry, a foot in the door,
Yeah.
but not every time. Maybe if you have good projects to show, that would be great.